the Senate continues its investigation into human trafficking incidents that occurred during the raid on Pogo establishments in Bambantarlac. During the inquiry, two assistants of dismissed Mayor Alice Go revealed the process behind the signing of counter-affidavit on August 14. Kat Salazar, who is also allegedly a clone of Guo, faced questioning during the hearing. Here's more from this report.
After surrendering to the National Bureau of Investigation, Kat Salazar, who is said to be a clone of Guo Huaping alias Alice Guo, while she was out of the Philippines, faced the Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations, and Gender Equality along with another secretary of Guo. The two secretaries of the former mayor, G. Pepito, and Kat Salazar were the ones tasked by Guo to process her counter-affidavit. But according to Guo's two right-hand women, they did not know the whereabouts of their boss while giving them orders. The dismissed mayor only made calls. Alice Guo first sought help from Suwal Mayor Dong Kalugay and Cheryl Medina. Based on the information from Senate, Guo instructed Salazar to call Medina to ask which lawyer could notarize her counter-affidavit on August 14.
Why would you do that?
Miss Cheryl,
Nagtalong lang po kasi sila, Your Honor.
sinong sila?
Si Kat po.
Yon. So at least ito yung unang totoong sinasagot nyo sa amin ngayong hearing. Tinawagan kayo ni Kath
Yes po.
para maghanap ng notaryo para sa affidavit ni Guo Huaping. Bakit feeling nyo obligado kayong sumunod pagbigyan yung hiling ni Miss Kath?
Hindi po. Tumawag po kasi siya. Ang sabi lang niya sa akin, naghahanap sila ng lawyer na magnonotaryo. Kasi wala daw silang makita na magnotaryo. Parang ganun.
Sa buong
Hindi ko- basta-
Bamban, wala silang makitang
A certain Dante was asked for help by Medina on which lawyer could sign the counter-affidavit without the affiant's signature. Medina instructed the man named Dante to go to Concepcion Road, Tarlac, where he would get the affidavit, which was held by G. Pepito. According to Dante's affidavit, when the counter-affidavit of Guo was given to him, it did not yet have Guo's signature, which prompted him to order the signing of document.
ano yung tao sa sasakyan?
Your Honor, ganito po yung kwento. Tinawagan po ako ni Kat. Ang sabi po ni Kat, may instruction daw po si Ma'am Alice na i-meet ko po yung tao doon sa Kapas po.
Sinong tao yon?
I think po yung tao na yun is yung, hindi ko lang po sure, is si Kadante po.
Kadante,
po.
yes,
Siya po
tama.
yung tao, opo.
Okay.
Ang instruction po ni Ma'am Alice is, i-meet ko po, kasi naghintay na po siya ng mga ilang oras.
Totoo.
Opo. Sabi po ni Kat sa akin, i-meet ko daw po sa Kapas para mag-lunch.
Kapas, Tarlac.
Yes po, Your Honor. Para mag-lunch po. Dinala ko po siya sa isang restaurant po sa, I think, Kapas or Concepcion po.
Anong restaurant yon?
Pwede po bang sabihin, Your Honor, yung...
Sorry?
Pwede pong banggitin.
Yes, of course. Restaurant lang yan. Ano yan?
Rustica Kapas.
Rustica
Opo,
Kapas.
hindi ko po sure
Okay.
yung address, Your Honor.
Rustica
Okay.
is in Concepcion.
Parang po, hindi ko po
Concepcion.
sure.
Concepcion.
Sorry po.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Ngayon po, nag-lunch po kami doon. Tumawag po sa akin si Kat kung pwede pakuha mo na sa driver mo yung affidavit. Yun po yung totoong kwento, Your Honor. Pero yung sinasabi po na van at merong pong kumaway doon sa van is hindi po totoo.
Salazar denied signing Guo's counter-affidavit. Salazar revealed that Guo had her get a brown envelope from her house at QJJ Farm, which contained the last page of the counter-affidavit already signed by Alice Guo. Likewise, Guo admitted that she had already signed the last page of the counter-affidavit in the first week of July before she left the Philippines.
Yes po, Your Honor. Pinakuha po ni Ma'am.
Saan nanggaling yung signed documents?
Tumawag po siya, Your Honor. Ang sabi po niya, punta daw po ako sa bahay niya, may kukunin po isang brown envelope. Nung
Okay.
nakuha ko na po yun, nag-message po ako sa kanya kung ano pong gagawin ko doon.
Saan?
Your Honor, yung last page po ng document po, na-sign ko po.
Na-sign mo saan?
Na-sign ko po bago po ako umalis.
Na-sign mo yung bago ka umalis. Gawa na ba yung affidavit?
Opo, partially, may natapos na po.
Pero hindi pa na-file yung case.
Opo, hindi pa po na-file. Ay, na-file na po, pero...
Hindi
ano ba talaga po?
Na-file
Na-file
na
na
po.
or hindi
Na-file
pa
na po.
na-file?
Na-file na
Hindi
po.
pa na-file yung... Kailan mo sinign yung bago ka
Sinayin
umalis.
ko po yung last page po bago po ako umalis.
Something that Pepito and Salazar did not know was that the mayor was no longer in the Philippines.
And actually po, yung totoo po, hindi po talaga namin alam kung nasan po si ma'am at kung
So hindi nyo rin sigurado na nandito pa siya sa Pilipinas nung araw na yon?
wala po talaga kaming alam.
Hindi
Your
kayo
Honor.
nagtanong?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Nung kinausap ka, nung tinawagan ka sa telepono, I'm sorry, Madam Chair.
SB Pro
Nung
Tempore.
tinawagan ka sinasabi mo tinawagan ka ni Alice Go, hindi ka nagtanong kung nasan siya.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit?
Wala rin po ako sa posisyon para tanongin kung nasan po siya.
The counter affidavit submitted by Alice Guo was prepared by Gana Atienza Bisado Law Firm, according to Guo. But according to Attorney Ray Anco from the said law firm, they gave the counter affidavit on August 14. Although Attorney Ko said that she did not know Guo's whereabouts, the senators did not believe the statement. This is Criza Lopez for Euro TV News.